It's me, Loren, coming at you with a funky new quarantine haircut today to share a fun activity that might break up that Netflix and PlayStation routine a little bit. So today I'm going to be demoing a how to do a self-portrait, and it's going to be a self-portrait using what's called the Loomis Method. And basically, it's a technique for making sure that your face is all in proportion, but also has a lot of what we call like structure, and has a lot of really like that three-dimensional quality that makes portraits pop. Okay, so it should be fun. Get cozy, get some art supplies, get a pencil, get a paper, and enjoy. We're going to loosen up our drawing hands with some quick warm-up sketch exercises. First, we're going to start out sketching some ellipses or ovals or circles. Try, if you can, to use your whole arm in the movement as opposed to just using your fingertips. Then we're going to practice some straight lines. Try, if you can, to make them as parallel to each other as possible. You can also try going over the same line that you've already gone over to practice your accuracy. And you can also try doing long lines versus short lines. Again, trying to use your whole arm. Great. Now we're going to take a quick look at a few different approaches famous artists have used to create their own self-portraits. As we look at these images, what do you notice about them? Why do you think the artist chose to depict themselves that way? What do you think it says about who they are? How they see themselves? So, step by step, getting into our portraits. First, we're going to start off by imagining a ball shape. Then we're going to imagine that we cut off the sides of the ball shape using ovals. Then we're going to make sure we draw our brow line. Then make a vertical center line so that we can have some good symmetry. About halfway down from the brow line should be the nose line. Then from there, same distance to the chin line. Then we'll try to make the information for the jawline. draw in our side plane. And rough in our eye socket. After that, we'll block out the shapes for the nose, block out the shapes for the mouth, and start to establish the hairline, if your character is lucky enough to have one. After that, we can go to the ears, which should line up roughly around the eyes if you're looking forward. Then we're going to use some of the side plane information we had earlier to get a little bit more information of the contour of the jaw. And then now we're ready to work on some shadows. There we go. Awesome. So I hope you guys were able to follow along and enjoy that process. I know it's kind of a lot and maybe difficult on the first try, but if you stick with it, you can get really great results. It really can help make your drawings have that dimensional quality and kind of really pop. If you want to go dive deeper into learning more about the Loomis Method, there's a link below in the description to a website that goes into further a whole video series on the various ways you can use Loomis Method to draw faces from any angle and to do faces that look different and all kinds of stuff using Loomis Method. So hold on to your portraits. Next week we are going to come back and we're going to use them and we're going to build off them and we're going to build into a bigger project.